Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with our third unit, digital documentation. In this unit we are going to learn about the word processor. There are different kinds of processors are there for typing, for making letters and all. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the LibreOffice. Last time I have said you to install the LibreOffice in your computer. Link I will share with you in description. Click on that. From that you can directly download the LibreOffice in your computer. In earlier days, manual typewriters were used for typing a document, which was replaced by electronic typewriter. And now a computer is used for this purpose. Word processing, data processing, communications and presentations are the most common activities performed in an office. Office productivity software is used to perform this activity effectively. A document is a paper with a written contents and the process is preparing a document. It's called a documentation. Documentation is required to preserve the contents of the longer period for a longer period and to be used as evidence. The documents can be letters, reports, theses, manuscripts, legal documents, books, etc. A handwritten document can have a certain disadvantages like understanding the specific handwriting. With the advancements in the computer, hardware and software technology, the process of handwritten documentation consequently automated to a computer word processing. The word processing, this term of word processing was invented by IBM in the late 1960s. By 1970, it was recognized by the New York Times as a buzzword. Word processing is the use of computer software to enter, edit, format, store, retrieve, and print the document. The document can be letter, notice, report, or a business or correspondence, etc. A word processor is a computer application used for production of printable material. That can be your textbooks, that can be your any document. If any legal documents are there which we can do the which we can do the take the printout. In the beginning, WordStar was the most widely used word processing software. These are There are several limitations to using a typewriter, such as given below. In a typewriter, if you are using a typewriter, in case of any typing error, the whole sheet is required to be typed again. If you are using typewriter for typing your document, so we have to very careful while we are doing with the typewriter. These are some issues are there, like you have to careful in when you are using the typewriter. To send some letter to two or more persons with different address require the multiple typing efforts. Like when you are writing any letters from one typewriter, and that letter you want to send for 2-3 people with different addresses, you have to type that typewriter that many times, like it multiple times, how many times you want to send to people. Typewriter does not have all the required characters or symbols. It is not possible to type all the character using the typewriter. It is not possible to produce a document in a desired format using a typewriter. In the year of 1974, Xerox company had introduced an electronic typewriter as an attempt to solve the problems of the manual typewriter. To some extent, in electronic typewriter, it is possible to make changes in a content, and we can make the multiple copies also with minor changes. But it has limitation of very small size screen to display the contents. Each screen can view only one or two lines. Then in late 1970s, with the development of computer software technology, word processing software was introduced. In this software, the document can be navigated, edited, formatted, and then printed. The modern word processors take advantages of GUI, graphical user interface, providing some form of what you see is what you get. Editing. This means the spatial effects on the text are also visible on the screen. Word processing software are not only provides basic ability to enter and modify the text, but also provides effective text manipulation functions that can be used for documentation. Modern word processors provide attractive features. Some of the features provided by the popular word processor are create, edit, save, retrieve, and print the document. Select and move the text from one place to another in the document. These are the features which modern word processor they have these popular features. Copy the text to the other place within a document. Move or copy selected text from one document to any other document. Change the font size, style, and of the text in the document. Format paragraphs as well as pages. Check spelling and grammar. Create table, modify the size of selected rows, columns, or cells. Combine one or two more documents. Insert pictures or graphs within the document. Print the selected text or selected pages of the document. Word processors are being used in the business, home, and education. That is in schools and colleges for preparing letters, reports, and many other different types of documents. Students, we use it for preparing projects, reports, and assignments. Teachers use word processor for preparing question papers and notes. Office Suite is a collection of programs which are useful for word processing, spreadsheet preparation, presentations, and database management. There are several Office suites. Example, Microsoft Office suite also there, where we are learning Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and mock presentations and database. But in this chapter, we are going to use LibreOffice because of its several advantages. Now, what is LibreOffice? LibreOffice is a free and open source software. Fully features Office productivity suite. Currently, the version of LibreOffice is 6.0 and above are available. It is available free for downloading from the website www.libreoffice.org. This suite is available in many languages and runs on many platforms: Windows, Macs, and Linux. These are the operating systems. It is used open document format, file format for publishing the documents. LibreOffice components are integrated with each other and have a similar look and feel, which makes it easy to use and train. The components of LibreOffice are Writer for word processing, Calc for spreadsheet preparation, Impress for presentations, Base for database management. One by one in this class, in this 9th standard, we are going to learn basic of Writer, Calc, Impress, and Base. In 10th class, you are going to have the advance of all these topics. Draw for drawing and others. LibreOffice includes support for opening the saving files in many common formats, including Microsoft Office, HTML, XML, Word Perfect, and a PDF format. While you are saving, you can save in all these different kind of formats. This is the LibreOffice. It is same like Microsoft Word, which we have used till now. Let's go through with this. Let's find out how it is. Getting started with the word processor writer. First one is LibreOffice Writer Word Processor. Several word processing softwares are available to prepare the report, but we will prefer to use LibreOffice Writer because it is free and open source software with the rich features of word processing. Some word processors are also available freely on the web. Example of web-based word processors are Google Docs, Office 365 Word, Microsoft OneDrive Word. These are the web-based word processor. Let's see an example for making the report. A school teacher arranged a field visit for class 9th students to national level IT job fair. The purpose was to know the scope and opportunity in IT and ITES sectors. After the visit, the students were given an assignment to submit a report which should include the details of IT/ITES industries in India with the pictures, responsibilities of a data entry operator, and the education and the experience required to be won. The students had prepared a draft report on the paper. It had to be typed and printed. Initially, the students though to use typewriter to type the report, but the typewriter cannot provide the facility of to type the various fonts, colors, and also they will not able to add the pictures using the typewriter. Therefore, they prepared the report by using the word processing software on the computer. This provide various features to make the report more attractive. It was printable and changes could made in the file anytime if any changes are there. There are variety of computer software application used to prepare such reports. Let's see in Office how we can make this report. The report in the hard copy is shown on the page 49. You can go through with that. For making that report, what we need? Let's starting with the LibreOffice Writer. Once you have installed the software in your computer, you will find the shortcut on your desktop. If you are using different operating system, the process may be changed, but in Windows operating system, it will be launched on your desktop. A shortcut will be there. So double click on that. In my screen, you can see the LibreOffice 6.4 is here. Double click on that. You will see the screen will appear like this on the screen. If it's not there on your screen, if the shortcut is not there in your computer, you can go to the search start window button and type the LibreOffice. In that, you can select the LibreOffice Writer, and then you can open your LibreOffice Writer. From here, when I want to select the writer document for making the report, I will choose the writer document. As you can see, my writer document is open. After this starting your LibreOffice writer, let's create a document. From here you can directly start your typing for making your report. If you want to have the new document, if you want to create the new document, click on the file, then new and the text document. The another LibreOffice writer will get open. Now if you want to save the file, go to the file, then save. When you are saving this, you will see the format will be ODF, .odf format will be there. If you want to change, you can directly change from here, if whichever format, if you want doc or word, whichever format you want, you then directly select, write the file name and then click on the save. And if you want to make the new another copy, like this file should be saved, if you want to make the new copy another, you can go to the file and click on the save as. So another, it will make the another copy of that document. And if you want to close this document, you can click on the file and then close. Your file will, your document will get closed. And if you want to open again your this file document, you can directly click on file and then open. It will be saved somewhere, so you can directly click on that and then click on open. This is normal basic how to open the file, how to create new file, how to save it file. One more is there. If you want to save a document using a password, like you want to secure your document and no one can open that document, how we can do that? Go to the file, save, write the name, whichever name you want to do. The path, whichever path where you want to save, you can directly select. And later, can you see here 3 options are coming: save with the password, automate file name and existence, encrypt with the GPG key. Click on the, tick on this save with the password and click on the save. When you are clicking on the save, you will see here enter the password to open. Which password you want to keep? You can keep any password whichever you want and make it confirm that password for writing second time. Note, after a password has been set, the document will only open with the password. Should you lose the document, there will be no way to recover the document. Please also note that this password is case sensitive. If you are saving the password, if you are saving the document with password, and if you are you can open that with only with the passwords. If password you lost, you cannot open that document and you will lose that document. So be careful with that and click on OK. The document will get saved. Now once I will try to open that, how it is opening, I will show you. Here is the document where I have saved my file. I am just double clicking on that for opening. You will see they are asking the password for opening that document. See, after typing my password, my document got open. It is getting open. This is how we are creating a document, how we are saving a document, how we can open the document. Parts of the writer window we are going to learn in next video. Thank you.